Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate brownie. Let's start with the ingredients. Butter 100 grams, sugar half cup, baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, all-purpose flour half cup, vanilla essence, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup cocoa powder. So let's begin. First make a double boiler by placing a heat-proof bowl on another bowl with hot simmering water. Add in butter and sugar. Once it melted, add cocoa powder and combine it well. Now remove that from heat and allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 180 degrees. Once the mixture cool a bit, add in 2 eggs, one at a time, and whisk it well. Add all-purpose flour, baking powder, and combine. Add some vanilla essence in between and whisk it into a smooth batter. Chop some chocolates. Fold that in. Now pour the mixture in a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Smooth a bit and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes or till a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once it cooled down, take that out and cut it into chunks, because small portions won't be enough. Wow, look at that. Take a big fudgy piece brownie, a dollop of ice cream, and some more chocolate sauce. Oh my goodness, it's heaven. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.